What is an addiction medicine specialist? So this is a medical doctor who has had additional training in the science of addiction medicine. So they've studied drugs of abuse, including alcohol, and complications of how it affects a person's life, the treatment thereof, all these sort of things. These are special doctors that are hard to come by, and it's important to know that if a person seeks treatment, they don't necessarily need to see an addiction medicine specialist. There are other people out there who are very experienced and can provide care for people. These would be drug treatment counselors as well as social workers with extra training in addiction medicine. So to summarize, an addiction medicine specialist implies this is a physician. However, this is differentiated from an addiction treatment counselor who might tote themselves as an addiction specialist, but it needs to be clarified with them that they have the addiction training as opposed to addiction training as a doctor. These are two separate things, and it's important to know this. But however, that being said, an addiction medicine treatment counselor can be very helpful as long as they've identified themselves and what their credentials are.